First, watch the video with two people talking about a recent request for one of them to submit a video CV as part of the application process for a job they are interested in.
Hey Adam, I haven't seen you since graduation. How's the job search going? Have you found a job yet?
Oh, hello, Professor Sue. It's nice to see you again. To be honest, I'm still looking. The job market is difficult for new graduates. Everyone wants someone with experience, but I can't get any experience until someone hires me.
That is a dilemma for sure. That's one of the main reasons we stress doing an internship while in university. Anyway, someone is bound to give you a chance. You just have to keep applying. Remember that applying for a job is your full-time job at the moment. Is there anything I can help you with?
Actually, there is something I need help with. One company I've applied to has asked me to send them a video CV. I've searched the internet, but I can't seem to find any advice on how to make a video CV. I've never even heard of it before, and I'm embarrassed to ask the company what they mean. I don't want to look stupid.
A video CV? That's an interesting request, but it's not surprising nowadays.
Oh, so you've heard of it? What is it?
Video CVs are the latest trend in recruitment and hiring. They allow companies to see more of what an applicant is like before they call him in for an interview. Video CVs are usually quite short and only highlight the important parts of a regular paper CV.
Do they have to be professionally done? I mean, do I have to hire someone to record me?
Not at all. You have a smartphone, don't you?
Yes, of course. You mean I can just use my phone?
Certainly. Cameras on phones are really good nowadays. Recording a video CV is much easier than you think. However, there are a few things you should do. How you present yourself is very important because anyone who sees your video will be seeing you for the first time. Remember that you only get one chance to make a first impression, and that's exactly what a video CV is.
That's good advice. Do you know what I should say or how I should make the video other than just using my phone to record it?
Sure. Let's start with how to set up the camera. Then I can give you some advice on the sort of things you should say in the video.
Perfect. Thank you, Professor.
It's no problem, Adam. Okay, so first things first. When you set up your camera, you should make sure you have it on a stable camera stand. These are very inexpensive. If you don't already have one, you can find them in phone accessory stores and kiosks just about anywhere.
Okay, I'll get one of those.
Good. Now, when you set it up, pay attention to your background and surrounding areas. You don't want to shoot a video where there is a mess around you or have strange things in the background. The best thing to do is to either have a plain background or just a picture of nature or something. Don't have pictures of family or other people behind you, and definitely don't have anything that would be distracting to the viewer.
Okay, noted. What about a green screen?
If you want to get a little artistic and have a decent scene you can replace the green screen with, then there's nothing wrong with that. Just don't replace the green screen with anything distracting or too artistic. Just something basic.
All right.
After you get the scene set, you'll want to also make sure you dress as if you are attending an actual interview. In other words, dress to impress.
Okay, got it.
So, the scene is set and you're dressed properly. Next, you'll want to follow some sort of script. It shouldn't be anything too complicated. Just know ahead of time what you want to say and the order you want to say it in.
Okay, do you have any suggestions?
Well, the easiest thing to do is to follow the order of a paper CV. In other words, start by introducing yourself, but in the video CV, you don't have to say your phone number, email address, etc., just your name. But you'll also want to say the objective. For example, you would say, "Hello, my name is Adam Keller, and I am applying for the position of English teacher." Then you'll want to highlight your education, your skills and abilities, and finally, any work experience. In your case, you'll want to mention any volunteer work you've done. I remember you taught refugees last summer, so don't forget to mention that.
Great idea. I do have experience after all. I'm glad you reminded me of that.
Now, after you finish recording the video, make sure you crop it. In other words, cut off the piece in front when you first turn on the camera and sit down, as well as the part at the end when you reach up to turn the camera off. Also, try to make sure the video doesn't exceed the time limits requested by the company. If they say they want something between 1.5 minutes to 3 minutes, make sure to stay within those parameters.
All right, do you recommend any particular software for editing?
There's a lot of free software available. I suggest just searching the internet. Find something that's easy to use.
Okay, is there anything else?
Yes, just a couple more pointers. First of all, when you get ready to make the video, make sure you are in a good mood. The way you feel will come through in the tone of your voice and will show on your face. If you are in a good mood, you will sound and look better. It shows more than you realize. And, finally, make sure the sound quality is good. If there is noise from outside, such as car horns, sirens, construction work, etc., all of these things will be distracting to the viewer. Remember, you don't want any distractions in the video. You want the person watching your video to be able to concentrate on you and what you are saying.
Good to know. Thank you, Professor Sue. This means a lot to me.
No problem, Adam. Good luck. Let me know how it works out for you. I'm rooting for you.